different styles. Work holding, there's many different devices available. We're going to stop right there, and I'm going to talk to you guys just a little bit about what's being shown right here, right now, guys. What type of tool holders? Can you guys make them out? Give you a hint. They got a hole in the end of them. They got a set screw in the side of them. End mill holders. Guys, I do not want to catch end mills in collets in my shop. Is that clear? No end mills in collets. We will have a lengthy tooling discussion. You guys remember the lengthy discussion we had about lathe tooling? Mounting, cleanliness, different nomenclatures of different tools, tool settings. Guys, we're going to have a lengthy discussion about tool holders on a mill, the yeses and nos of mounting. We're going to have a lengthy discussion about whistle stops, once again about the cleanliness of the tools and the tool holders. We will go into this type of discussion at length, and we will include an exercise in the shop of mounting and dismounting. The collet systems, guys, you don't know how often those collets are put in the collet holders incorrectly. And when they're put in incorrectly, you lose your accuracies. You can have tools pull out, push in. You can destroy collets. We have to go out there and beat collets out of collet holders. It's absolutely critical when you go to set up tools that you set them up by the rules, by the plan, and stick to it.
And the reason being,
no end mills because of the whistle stops. Whistle stops are specifically designed on the end mills to accurately hold them to where they don't pull out of the holder.
That's what you're calling those?
These are end mill holders, yes.
So in other words, the flat for the set screw is set on.
Yes. And we'll go into a lengthy discussion about this, but guys, those flats called a whistle stop actually have chamfers on either side that match the chamfers on the set screws that you're using in those tool holders. We don't just use any set screws in those tool holders. They are made for those holders, and they mesh up against the chamfers that are on the whistle stops. And there's even, guys, there's slack in those. There's a certain way that you work with them. You pull them out against the back chamfer. And if you'll think about that for a minute, if you've got an end mill with a set screw on the whistle stop, if you pull it out of the holder and tighten it up to the chamfer, which direction can that end mill go?
Up.
If it were to come loose, it goes up. If the end mill goes up, material is left on your part, isn't it? If the end mill pulls down, your part's scrapped. You see the advantages of if it comes loose, it pushes up? And with that said, the helix of an end mill, while it's in cut, is constantly got down pressure on it. The helix is trying, while cutting, is trying to pull that end mill out of the holder at all times. Questions about end mill holders? With the understanding that we are going to have a full lecture on it and exercises on it. Process planning, like other operation types. Guys, we're going to get into the process planning of a mill. We're going to create process plans. I told you guys last week that we will have an exercise where you will